So I'm an Associate Professor of Forensic Genetics here at the University of Canberra in the Faculty of Education, Science, Technology and Mathematics. So my job is two aspects to it. Firstly, I'm responsible for teaching undergraduates and postgraduates about forensic science in general, but also about my specialty, which is forensic genetics. And the second aspect to my job is to conduct research in the field of forensic genetics. So forensic science is the use of science in the service of the justice system. So the idea is that we are able to conduct analyses and perform tests that help the justice system reach decisions. So we might find DNA at a crime scene, and my current research is involved in getting information from that DNA to tell what the genetic ancestry of that person was, whether they were, for example, European or African or Asian or Indigenous American, or what they look like, what their eye colour is, blue or brown, what their hair colour is, blonde or dark, whether they've got curly hair or straight hair, that kind of thing. And that information can be used to help forensic investigators identify a suspect. We often get professionals from the Australian Federal Police to teach into our course and to give guest lectures, to give examples of the crimes that they may have been involved with and the outcomes from those real-world cases. And many of our honours projects are embedded in the forensic laboratories of the Australian Federal Police, where real problems that they want solved are tackled by our students. The advantage that I think that we offer here at the University of Canberra is that our forensic program is embedded in the National Centre for Forensic Studies. Now this is a collaboration between the University of Canberra, the Canberra Institute of Technology across the road, and the Australian Federal Police, and we align our course to meet their needs. So we're confident that the kinds of skills that we teach are the kinds of skills that forensic employers will want. We have a reputation for our graduates obtaining employment, a very high rating for employment outcomes for our graduates. And our graduates are able to use the skills that they learn here to obtain employment. So we have international students doing our courses. A number of our graduates have gone back home to countries like Singapore and Hong Kong and employ their skills there and have obtained jobs in forensics and other scientific disciplines. Our graduates also work in environmental regulatory laboratories. They provide advice to government, scientific advice to government in terms of policy.